Guys, are you ready to make $1,500 or more every month? I'm ready, and I'm ready 100%. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how we make money from ChatGPT and YouTube to earn money online. Whether you are a beginner or experienced creator, these strategies are proven to help you generate passive income. So if you've been searching for ways and easy ways to make money online in 2025, keep watching this video. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to earn $1,500 monthly with ChatGPT and YouTube. When I talk about ChatGPT and YouTube, but I would love to first welcome every new subscriber, every new viewer, and even people who have just come to this channel. You're most welcome. This channel only specializes in how to make people make money without investing anything online, that is with their smartphones, with their internet, with their data, without wasting it. ChatGPT, in a first instance, is a powerful tool, you guys. It makes content creation faster and easier. This is what I've used in the last 7 days because I was sick. I could not go to do content scripting. I could not do content. I would not go to do most of the things as far as content, even to look for ideas. So what I decided to do, I used this ChatGPT. And I decided to sell, please, the money I earned in the last 7 days, it tripled the money in other weeks. So I decided to say, let me come here and I teach you on how to do it. So this is a powerful tool, by the way. If you're there and you want to do content faster and easier while you're in YouTube, it is one of the platforms that you can use to monetize your content on YouTube with a lot of creativity. Combine the two, you will have to get money very quickly, and you'll get money making system that can bring over 1,500 per month without huge upfront costs. I'm saying all these two platforms, you don't need to invest in anything. Like the one I'm using, the ChatGPT, is very free of charge. So let's go to the first step. You guys, what you do, you can use ChatGPT to create video ideas. What do I mean to create video ideas? You start by using ChatGPT to brainstorm highly searchable video topics. Like in the last 7 days, when I was down, I'm not okay, I decided to put a writing, and I asked ChatGPT to give me the trending ideas. By then, it gave me 10. When it gave me 10, I started from there. So it brainstormed for me the highly searchable video topics. So you simply ask ChatGPT for training ideas in your niche, whether it is technical reviews, it is lifestyle tips, or tutorials. For example, what are the 5 trending YouTube videos in finance? ChatGPT will generate unique and profitable ideas within a second. We're not even talking about hours. So it gives you it creates for you ideas. That is the first step for all creators that struggle with. Then the second step, it writes transcripts. This is what I was telling you. I've been doing my transcript with ChatGPT. So you can use ChatGPT to craft professional and engaging video scripts. Then you go there, and of course, even if you make scripts from there, when you're going to shoot a video, they cannot come the same, but at least you have the idea. This saves your hours of time and ensures your videos are optimized for viewers. You guys, it helps so much because when you use it for scripting, it even it is easy for you to bring for you keywords. Like in my niche, it has always helped me to bring the keywords of how to earn money, how to make money, side hustle, earn online, something like that, passive income, generation income, like that. And it brings them in the script. And this makes my video more discoverable. So this is one of the things that I'm telling all creators. If you want to earn $1,500 easily in a month and you have a YouTube channel like me, what you do, just combine YouTube with ChatGPT. There you go, you start off. Then the third step, after the transcript, this ChatGPT can easily also create for you your videos. With scripts ready, create your video. It is very easy. You don't need expensive equipment, a smartphone, and simple editing software enough to start. Remember to focus on niche like how to guide, all tools, and online business tips. These have a huge demand. You guys, This one is very easy. I've not used the third step, but I'm yet to use it, and I'll give you the results. Then the fourth step, it helps you to optimize your YouTube channel. You use searchable titles, descriptions, and hashtags to make your video stand out. For example, like me, even including this video that you're watching, what I did, I put for it, please make for me a very beautiful and searchable with key searchable words as to SEO on YouTube for how I can make $1,500 using ChatGPT with YouTube. Then it gave me this, how to make $1,500 with ChatGPT and YouTube. Then stroke it more, it put all money making tips. So you can see, even you can do the same thing. Then it also optimized for me my description, whereby you can see even my description, it has a lot of Make Money Online, ChatGPT tutorials on YouTube income, something like this. And it can also design eye-catching thumbnails to attract your clicks. So guys, here we are on the road to make $1,500. This is also my aim, to make $1,500, so it should be used. And I promise that whatever works up for me, I bring it and also teach you. The step 5 for this ChatGPT and YouTube, it is monetize your content. Once your channel starts growing, enable YouTube monetization through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate links. You can also sell digital products created with ChatGPT, even like ebooks. My book I quote them and where and my life after 25, all were created by ChatGPT. I've created ebooks, and even I've created courses, so you can do the same. This adds another income to your streams, you guys. When we are talking about to make money and above $1,500 with ChatGPT and YouTube, don't forget that all these ones will not be meaningful. They will not bring you money if you don't have consistency in your vocabulary or even whatever you do. So you have to post consistently. And most people say, okay, if you know you're very busy, you can aim at posting 3 times per week. But me, I encourage always someone who wants to make it his own job to post every day. Then also the second one, you can use also ChatGPT to research trending topics every day, because every day has its own, the trends change, so you can do that. Then the third one, you can engage with your audience through comments. I've seen it also done, really doing miracles and wonders. Then you also track analytics to see what works and double your successful concept on it. Even you can recreate. That's what I said in our previous video. When I repurposed one of the videos. So guys, here we are. When you combine ChatGPT power with YouTube, it's a massive miracle. It will give you massive reach. You can create sustainable system for making $1,500, or even every month you can even make more than that. The best part is you can start today with minimal investment. If you found this, you found yourself with a smartphone with internet, this one you don't need anything to invest in, unless if you want to invest in the premium one of ChatGPT. Guys, now that you've heard about how to make money, and especially 1,500 from these two, what do you think? Did you find this very profitable for you? Is it helpful? If it is helpful, please hit that like button and thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more money making tips. And let me know in the comment section what this niche is all about for you. Do you think it can make meaning for you? Please don't wait to start your journey tomorrow. Just start today. Use ChatGPT and YouTube to build your online income in 2025. Watch my next video for more tips. I'll be bringing it. Thank you very much. See you in the next year, and see you in the next video, and see you in the next days and next weeks. Bye-bye.